Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss the summative test reviewer of MAPE 4 under Music and Arts Strands, Quarter 3, Week 1 to 2. Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What property of sound helps create the mood of a story? A. Space. B. Color. C. Background music. D. Texture. The correct answer is letter C. Number 2. Which describes how sound effects help a scene? A. They make the actors run faster. B. They add realism and emotion. C. They remove unnecessary dialogue. D. They change the story's ending. The correct answer is letter B. Number 3. When background music becomes faster and louder, it often means the scene is becoming A. Calm. B. Suspenseful. C. Unclear. D. Quiet. The correct answer is letter B. Number 4. The smooth or repeated quality in music that gives a sense of flow is called A. Rhythm. B. Line. C. Shape. D. Space. The correct answer is letter A. Number 5. In theater, blocking refers to A. Color used in the lights. B. The movement and positioning of actors. C. The shape of the stage curtains. D. The texture of costumes. The correct answer is letter B. Number 6. Which element helps the audience focus on characters during a scene? A. Movement of actors. B. Type of props. C. Story length. D. Background design only. The correct answer is letter A. Number 7. When a scene uses cool colors, it usually expresses A. Anger. B. Excitement. C. Calmness. D. Surprise. The correct answer is letter C. Number 8. What describes texture in a visual or theatrical scene? A. The feel or surface quality. B. The brightness of lights. C. The number of props. D. The loudness of music. The correct answer is letter A. Number 9. The area within, around, or between objects in visual art is called A. Rhythm, B. Space, C. Line, D. Movement. The correct answer is letter B. Number 10. A scene where actors move continuously to show emotion highlights which element? A. Movement, B. Balance, C. Unity, D. Contrast. The correct answer is letter A. Directions. Write if the statement is true or false. Number 11. Lines can guide the viewer's eyes toward important parts of an artwork. This statement is true. Number 12. Shapes in art can be natural, geometric, or symbolic. This statement is true. Number 13. Rhythm in visual arts is created through repetition of elements. This statement is true. Number 14. Movement in visual artwork is about how a viewer's eye travels. This statement is true. Number 15. Unity is achieved when all elements work together harmoniously. This statement is true. Number 16. Harmony is when elements are completely different from one another. This statement is false. Number 17. Variation prevents an artwork from looking monotonous. This statement is true. Number 18. Color cannot affect the mood of a theatrical scene. This statement is false. Number 19. Balance helps distribute visual weight in an artwork. This statement is true. Number 20. Principles of composition help organize artistic elements effectively. This statement is true. Directions. Identify the correct term for each statement. Number 21. A traditional story explaining beliefs or events. Alamat. The correct answer is legend. Number 22. A collection of cultural tales, dances, or traditions passed on. The correct answer is folklore. Number 23. A yearly cultural celebration often shown through dance. The correct answer is festival. Number 24. A mythical nature spirit found in folklore. The correct answer is Diwata. Number 25. A feature of an artwork that is meaningful to a learner's place or culture. The correct answer is relevant. Number 26. The visual property made by light and shadow. The correct answer is form. Number 27. The principle that shows differences in elements to create interest. The correct answer is contrast. Number 28. The principle that shows stability in artwork. The correct answer is balance. Number 29. The proportionate relationship of parts within an artwork. The correct answer is proportion. Number 30. The Filipino equivalent of important and appropriate, learned from the vocabulary list. The correct answer is nararapat. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.